In our previous session, we have seen what is retailing, who are retailers, what are the activities involved in retailing, what are the functions of retailing. So next concept is retail scene in India. So purchasing power of Indian consumer is growing with the categories like apparel, cosmetics, shoes, watch, and even the jewelries. Increasing purchasing power of a consumer is due to easy availability of credit, which has given push to the higher value of item and encouraged repeated purchase. So most of the consumers' buying habit or purchasing power has changed due to increase in income level, or it may be increase in a standard of living of a people, or due to change in the buying behavior of people. Lifestyle of the people has changed, consumer needs has changed, the availability of a product in a market, different products are available for one particular item, different brands ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, different products ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. So based on a consumer satisfaction, or based on a consumer needs, or based on the taste and preference of a consumer, due to a buying behavior of a consumer. So all this has made a drastic change in a retailing scene in India. So Indian retail industry is no doubt one of the highest and fastest growing industry. So under Indian retail market, there are different format under which the product or goods are sold to a consumer. Look after the format. The formats of retailing in India includes mom and pop stores, departmental stores, malls, supermarket, hypermarket, discount stores, retailing. So these are the all the format through which the Indian market or Indian retailing stores are going to sell their products. Retail is nothing but basically a sale of small quantity of goods to the public. So under that, it includes the formats, the retailing formats in India. It includes first one, mom and pop store. Mom and pop store is nothing but small, usually family owned business known as kirana stores or general store also we call in India. Usually they are catered to the family in and around the stores. So we all know that what is general stores. By seeing the picture only we can recognize what is mom and pop store. It is nothing but which is called as kirana stores. Next one, departmental store. Departmental store is a large shop which keeps a huge stock and offer a wide range of consumers. They sell high quality product. So we usually call it as a branded products, branded watch ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. You can see a Titan store, that is a departmental store which sells a branded watch. Here in the example they have given in a picture, Pantaloons. Pantaloons is a fashion and retail store owned by Aditya Birla Group, offer a branded products like watch, footwear, apparels, women's and women's and kids. So this is the example for a department store. The basic example you can take as lifestyles, trends, max. So all these are the example for branded stores. Next one is malls. Malls is nothing but which provides everything under one roof. It may be from foods to clothes or clothes to cinema, everything whatever is needed for a consumption of a people, that is provided under one roof. So that is mall. By seeing a picture you can recognize mall, what is mall. Best example you can take a city center in a Mangalore, forum malls in Mangalore. So all these are the examples for malls. Next one, supermarket. Supermarket is one of the most popular in India, which gives a small self-service store. They provide a service related to foods or related to non-foods, apparels, it may be general merchandise products, so everything under one roof. Supermarket, the best example is Big Bazaar. Next one, hypermarket. Hypermarket is nothing but a huge store. Compared to supermarket, it is used in a supermarket because it is a combination of departmental store and supermarket. So here there is an inclusion of a departmental store and supermarket. So that is a hypermarket which is huge in size. Next one, discount store. Nothing but which offers a product at a discount rate. When they give at a discount rate, if there is an additional stock which is left over at the end of the period, or there may be special occasion, so at that time the particular product is given on a discount rate. So best example is Walmart, Mega Mart, all of the marts which provides a product at a discount rate. Next one, e-retailing. E-retailing is nothing but we all are aware. Due to modernization in a technological sector, we know what is e-retailing, electronic retailing. That is nothing but selling a goods on internet. The synonymous for that is B2C, means business to consumer transaction. Any goods or service which is sold through a electronic media, particularly internet, is called as electronic retailing. So best example, if we all are aware, like Flipkarts, Snapdeals, Amazon. So all these are the example for e-retailing in India. So these are the formats, like formats of retailing stores in India. The format includes mom and pops, departmental store, mall, supermarket, hypermarket, and discount store, and e-retailing. So by recognizing a picture only, we can recognize what actually it is. Indian retail is no doubt one of the largest and fastest growing industry. Like most developed country, India's growth also relies on growth of its retail industry. India is becoming a dynamic market with many international brands entering India to capitalize on growing consumption patterns shown by the country. Even the international products or international brands are also entering into a Indian market. So this is related to a scene of India. In India, how the retail market scenario is going on.